Lieutenant Shawna Lennen. I'm a KC-135 pilot for the Wisconsin Air National Guard. Our primary purpose is to refuel other aircraft in the air. We do all sorts of other missions as far as humanitarian, and we've got global outreach. But our main purpose is to refuel in the air pretty much any other aircraft that's capable of taking gas. This is the cockpit, normal 3-person crew. We have 2 pilots and a boom operator that sits here. They sit up here during takeoff, landing, and any part of the flight where they're not refueling. And then when they are refueling, they go to the back and operate the boom pod from the back. We can carry more people. We've got a jump seat, another seat here, and then we've got all the crew seats in the back. This is our most upgraded avionics package right now. So we replaced all the steam gauges with the screen in the middle, and it's a digital display of all the gauges there. This is our kitchen. It's pretty high tech. Make a lot of coffee in that. And then we've got crew seats for taking passengers. Anytime we go overseas, we carry crew chiefs with us and maintainers. And we've got everything from where your civilian aircraft will have oxygen masks that come down. We've got those in little packets on each seat. We've got our normal emergency slides. Everything that a civilian aircraft would have, we have here too. It's just set up a little bit differently. But the floor is capable of many different configurations. You can put passenger seats on it. You can load cargo bins. It's pretty versatile. Overwing exit with a good view of the engines.
Just kind of back up. So in an emergency.
So he's talking to them about the APUs right now. We've got 2 different jet engines that are actually in a box that provide power to the aircraft on the ground when our engines aren't running. So we can get power off of those APUs there, and then once we start up our engines, that's the primary source of power for the jet.
How many tons of fuel have you got down here for all up, for the aircraft fuel and also refueling it?
We're capable of carrying over 200,000 pounds of fuel.
200,000 pounds?
Yeah, over. So it just kind of depends on the fuel type and the density of it, but 200,000 is a pretty big number.
What's that in tons?
So you carry cargo in here as well?
Yes.
So you can do cargo, you can do personnel, and you can do besides your.
We can do it all. Mm-hmm. All right, so these are the APUs that I was talking about. That's their computer that manages them, and that's usually the boom operator that comes back here and works with them and sets it up, does the pre-flight, and then operates it. This is all of our supplemental oxygen, and then down in here is the boom pod. So there's 3 spots here, so you can have an instructor boom, another boom, and an observer. The boom actually doing the refueling will sit in the middle. They've got a chin rest, and then all of their controls. They've got elevation, telescoping, and azimuth, and then they've got lighting outside to show the receiver aircraft whether or not they need to come forward and move to the side, and then they can tell them how many feet they need to move relative to their current position. And then the boom, which you can't see right now because it's not extended, but this window will come down and you'll be able to see the boom when you're flying. And it has its own little rudder vaders on it, so they're actually flying the boom to the receiver aircraft.
Thank you for watching. If you're looking for something to do, or you are traveling through Milwaukee Mitchell International Airport, stop by the Mitchell Gallery of Flight for some aviation history.